Flowers. Same flowers. Yep.
Where'd you get that?
Lily had it in her hand, in case there was any doubt over who died here.
God, this is so fucked. There's an apple?
Do you smell something?
No, just apple.
What the Snow White's story is all about an apple. And the sicko was probably role-playing with her or something. What's this?
Do all the rooms have these same clocks with the built-in cassette player?
I think so, yes.
Okay. Hey, it's okay. This is fucked shit. But, whatever. What's this?
It's a Huff and Puff.
I thought you were the only one who smoked that crap brand.
Apparently not.
Apparently not.
We did it again. We're twins. A bottle of wine.
He brought wine.
That's gross.
Classy.
Ugh, this guy sounds like a sleaze. For my arrival? Ah, it's so creepy. Wait, put it in the cassette tape. Let's just... Come on. Hey. Yep. Oh, that's so creepy. Ooh. Oh, I just got like the... Ooh, shudders.
Baby, this? I think I heard this music last night. It was playing pretty loudly for a while and then stopped in the middle. I didn't think twice about it at the time. I mean, you hear all kinds of things around here, and I guess I've already gotten used to blocking them out.
Would have covered up the sound of the murder.
There's splatter impact on the headboard here, so she was probably like stabbed or something. I don't know. Let's look at this. What is this? The storybook? Oh, that's creepy.
What is that?
It's a book about Snow White. Or about the Monday version of her story, anyway.
Oh, this is so fucking creepy.
The whole book is about her?
Fuji?
What is it?
Made Lily
I
bite
think
the apple.
is part of his fantasy about Snow White. That would explain the one we found on the floor.
Oh, no. Do you think it was poisoned?
No.
It wasn't. I'd have smelled that. I think it's just a prop. It's here because they were acting out the scene in the book.
Oh, that's so
Of
creepy.
course. That makes perfect sense. They were acting out the thing with her stepmother and the apple, which is really creepy when you think about it. You know, she almost died when...
Oh, is she breathing?
Why is she in a glass coffin?
This
That's
is
the
part where
story.
she's in a deep sleep, but they think she's dead.
Was she breathing? Oh, this is so creepy. Ugh.
What? What is it?
The bed matches the
I think
coffin.
he made up the bed to match the coffin in the picture. Flowers, too. He'd have had Lily lie down just like this.
Ugh.
You mean just before?
In the story, that's when someone comes to kiss her. That's our Mr. Smith.
Ooh.
This is just bizarre. This guy really has a thing about snow. It's like pathological.
I'm getting that feeling.
That's disgusting.
Oh my god, that poor girl. She couldn't have known. She probably just needed the money. She could have been anyone. How did she wind up here? I mean, not exactly here, but just how does a person...
Georgie took advantage of her when she was in trouble. He's a real predator.
Yep.
Yeah.
fucking makes me sick. Is that it? Yep. Oh, closet.
She must have been so scared.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Rough with this dress. It's torn.
Oh no, she must have been wearing it. He killed her and then he took it back off.
I don't see any blood.
No, there's no blood on it.
Yep.
It must have been torn some other time.
Oh, ew! Oh, God.
What now?
Looks like a
This
snow.
is the same dress as the one in the book about snow. I think Smith was dressing Lily up in it to recreate the snow from the book.
You're right. It's the same dress. It's another match to what's in the book.
That's disgusting. That's disgusting. That's
God,
disgusting.
I can see the whole picture now. It all goes together like you said. This creep put that girl in a Snow White dress and recreated the whole story from the book with the apple and the deep sleep and everything. You're a better detective than I thought you'd be.
Thanks.
So he planned it all out. He had all the details noted down. Only then, when it comes time to kiss her and wake her up.
Yeah.
That's...
I hope you're just about through. I don't really want to stay in here any longer.
What was that? Hello. Please have some evidence or something, or an address or something, I swear to God. Oh.
Are those pictures of the dead girl?
They're stalking Snow.
How do you know?
I'm in this one. It was taken last winter.
Oh no. Bigby. This kind of stalking, it doesn't just stop by itself. Trust me, I know about this firsthand. He'll keep trying to get closer and closer.
His stand-in for Snow is gone now, so...
The next step closer.
Oh, God.
What is it?
Crane.
What? Oh my God, no! Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh my God! Oh! Oh my God! What the fuck?
He could be after you now.
Good. I am dying to get my hands on that disgusting weasel.
Really starting to like you, Sheriff. You're not afraid to be a complete bastard.
Obviously, there will have to be some changes.
Hello, Bigby.
Take care of it, Bigby, or I'll take care of it for you.
Jesus Christ, Bigby. Is that you?
What the fuck? Okay, that's fucked up. So Crane killed Lily? And has a obsession with Snow? That is disgusting. That's disgusting. That's fucking disgusting. How'd you respond to Crane about Snow's death? 13% ignored him. Rightfully so now, I guess. Did you treat the murder suspect you and 62% persuaded him? Snow come with you to Trip Trap. Let her make her own decision. How'd you handle Georgie? Yep, I shoulda. Did you keep punching Beast when he was down? And 8% never had Beast at your mercy. I don't want to punch him. He was confused, but he should have just listened to his wife, honestly. It's fucking dumb. Okay. Well, God. And that was The Wolf Among Us Chapter 2. Okay. Jesus. That's nuts. That's crazy, but I'm loving this series a bunch. So yeah, stay tuned for Chapter 3, and I guess I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to like, comment, blah 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 blah, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.
Who cares? So long, can't stay. I've been wrong about everything you owe me. And if I had another chance to try it all again, then you know you'd be looking at the old me. So if there's anything left, anything at all, let me write that song that'll put you in my arms. I can see you a star. Please don't